The Builders Show is a dynamic and culturally immersive competition series that shines a spotlight on the unsung heroes of West Africa's construction and artisan sector.
We have 4 teams coming together to compete against one another to win $10,000 in prize money and prestigious title of African Skills Champion. Benin Republic!
We are going to be the winner.
Team Nigeria!
Nigeria they carry last.
Team Ghana!
I was thinking Togo should be a competition.
Togo!
They can't compete with us.
Each team composed of diverse professionals like tilers,
We are going next to carpentry. If you make me lose,
bricklayers,
you go present.
electricians,
Ola, give me light.
Bobo, use your teeth. Cut down with your teeth.
It's not easy to be in a competition with a female painter.
Here we go!
Is do and die.
from skillfully maneuvering wheelbarrows filled with cement along winding paths to demonstrating precision in metal cutting. Each task is a testament to the skills required in the building sector.
We need water. We need water.
But the show is more than just about the tasks. It delves really deep into the personal stories, aspirations, and challenges of each contestant.
I lost my mom due to cancer.
My auntie is a wicked woman.
Important person in my life is my father. Unfortunately, I lost him.
Meet Africa's builders. They're all here to champion their craft and country.
The first thing I look out for is the tiling.
Do you have a favorite team?
Oh, please don't do that.
The dream weavers turning blueprints into breathtaking marvels.
Guys, listen up. You have 3 more minutes.
Nigerians are hot-blooded.
You'll be talking.
If Victor had said a word, I would have punched him.
The first team that is safe from elimination is